welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called blue sky. Of course, it's a blue sky. Goodwill is a definite, measurable, valuable asset of any business. Goodwill is often a result of systems in place, being in business for years, a good reputation, loyal customer, steadily predictable sales and cash flow, records, institutional knowledge, patterns, favorable lease terms, market share, perhaps franchisee or dealer territories, and many other intangible factors. Blue sky, by definition, is an immeasurable and perhaps unsupported value above that of assets and goodwill. Blue sky is often hidden in sellers' offering. It is often referred to as potential. It is true that business owners try to minimize their tax liability. The classic way of doing this is under-reporting income and over-reporting expenses. Be careful though, there are times when this just is not so. Consider a restaurant that has dishwashers come and go every couple of weeks. The paperwork is horrendous and these workers are often paid under the table. This paying under the table does not show up as an expense of operating the business and thus over-reports cash flow. The contribution of owners and the family members to the business should always be checked out and placed against fair market value of their efforts. So, how as a buyer do you determine this value? How do you avoid paying for a blue sky? First, a business value should be based on what it is worth to you or your organization. Are you going to run it as it is, merge with another entity, expand product or service, consolidate it to other profitable units, or simply tweak it to have it reflect your personality? Secondly, conduct due diligence and verify the number. Then, given the numbers, determine if the resulting number can fulfill your goals. Can it pay you a fair market salary, pay for a debt, provide you with some growth opportunity, a profit perhaps? Also consider what skill set you bring to the business. Adjust the number accordingly and you should have a well-priced business opportunity in front of you. Thanks for watching. Bye.